Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panel water pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Decor Solar Fountain, a lightweight and eco-friendly solution for bird baths, ponds, and patio gardens. This pump features an efficient 1.8-watt solar panel, allowing it to operate entirely on sunlight without the need for batteries or electricity. It's designed to float on water, automatically starting within seconds of receiving adequate sunlight. The pump includes 4 sprayer adapters, providing customizable water flows and heights for different applications. Plus, it boasts a brushless motor with lower power consumption, ensuring longevity and reliability. In terms of design, the Decor Solar Fountain is compact and simple, crafted from dowable stainless steel and PVC materials. It's easy to set up. Just place it in water and ensure the solar panel is exposed to direct sunlight. However, the lack of power storage means it won't work in cloudy conditions or after sunset, which can limit its usability. The product's build quality is solid, though its lightweight design, 6.9 ounces, makes it susceptible to movement in windy conditions. While the Decor Solar Fountain delivers decent performance for its price point, it's best suited for smaller water bodies like bird baths or fish tanks. It's ideal for users seeking a simple, eco-friendly water pump without advanced features. On the downside, its 3.9-star rating reflects minor issues like sensitivity to partial shading and limited flow rate compared to higher-end models. Overall, it's a good entry-level choice with a reasonable lifespan and solid customer service support. At number 4, we have the Decor Solar Fountain for bird bath. This pump stands out with its dry run protection, which automatically shuts off the motor when water levels are too low, preventing damage. The addition of filters ensures debris doesn't clog the pump, making maintenance a breeze. Its solar panel is crafted from 100% glass, which guarantees durability and strong sunlight absorption for steady water flow. The 2.5-watt solar panel provides sufficient power for small ponds, bird baths, or fish tanks, and its frosted finish adds a sleek aesthetic. The design is compact and efficient, with dimensions of 6.02 by 5.63 by 2.44 inches and a weight of 14.1 ounces. Setup is quick and easy, requiring no batteries or electricity. The pump includes stakes, tubing, and spray heads, enabling users to customize the water flow style. Despite its small size, the pump delivers a maximum lifting height of 65 centimeters, which adds a dynamic visual element to outdoor spaces. Its eco-friendly operation and reliable performance make it a good choice for users who value simplicity and durability. However, the Decor Solar Fountain isn't without its limitations. While its dry run protection is a valuable feature, the pump's flow rate, 0.54 gallons per minute, is lower than other products in this category. Additionally, it's not ideal for larger water features. With a 4.0 star rating, customers appreciate its longevity and ease of use, but note occasional inconsistencies in water flow during cloudy weather. Overall, this pump is a solid mid-range option for smaller-scale applications. Taking the number 3 spot is the Decor Solar Fountain Water Pump, a versatile and energy-efficient choice for bird baths, ponds, and gardens. This pump boasts a 1.5-watt solar panel which operates entirely on sunlight and starts working within seconds of exposure. Its floating design ensures effortless installation. Just place it on water and let it go to work. The pump includes plastic retainers to prevent random movement, and its flow rate of 0.7 gallons per minute ensures a steady water circulation for oxygenation. The Decor pump is compact yet practical, measuring 6.3 by 6.3 by 2.3 inches and weighing only 8 ounces. Its lightweight build makes it easy to move and position, but it can sometimes shift in windy conditions. The pump's submersible design is well suited for bird baths and fish tanks, though it may struggle in larger water features. It's easy to clean, with regular maintenance preventing debris buildup. Performance-wise, the pump works best in full sunlight, but may falter in partially shaded conditions, which is a common limitation for solar-powered devices. With a 4.0 star rating, the Decor solar fountain is a popular choice among customers seeking simplicity and affordability. Its wide application scenarios and reliable operation make it an excellent option for casual users. However, the lack of advanced features, such as dry run protection or battery backup, limits its versatility. It's perfect for smaller water bodies and users who prioritize eco-friendliness over high-end functionality. At number 2, we have the Lauaho Solar Fountain Pump Kit, a feature-rich pump designed for versatility and performance. This kit includes a separate 1.8 W solar panel, a fountain pump, and a 3-meter cable, providing flexibility in positioning the solar panel for optimal sunlight exposure. The pump comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles, offering customizable water styles to suit different settings. It's equipped with a built-in filter to prevent clogging, ensuring smooth operation and easy maintenance. The Lauaho pump's design is practical and user-friendly, with dimensions of 4.92 by 4.92 by 1.77 inches, and a lightweight build of 8.2 ounces. The separate solar panel allows users to position the pump in shaded areas while placing the panel in direct sunlight, a major advantage for gardens with variable lighting conditions. The pump's operation is straightforward, automatically starting within seconds of solar exposure. Its eco-friendly design makes it a safe choice for households, as it eliminates the risks associated with electricity or batteries. With a 3.9 star rating, the Lauaho solar fountain is a popular choice for users seeking a balance of functionality and affordability. Its built-in filter and long cable make it ideal for outdoor ponds, gardens, and fish tanks. However, the pump requires regular cleaning to maintain optimal performance, and occasional clogging issues have been reported by customers. Overall, it's a reliable mid to high-range option for users who value flexibility and eco-conscious design. Finally, at number 1, we have the Bailing 8W Solar Fountain Pump, a premium choice for users seeking advanced functionality and robust performance. This pump features an upgraded 8W solar panel made from A+ grade monocrystalline silicon, offering enhanced light transmittance and durability. It also includes a 3,600 mAh rechargeable battery backup, allowing it to operate during cloudy weather or after sunset. A standout feature among solar pumps. The kit comes with 5 nozzles and 5 feet tubing, offering customizable water styles and versatility for both shallow and deep water areas. In terms of design, the Bailing solar fountain is built for longevity and quiet operation. Its ceramic motor shaft reduces noise levels to 30 dB and doubles the pump's lifespan compared to standard models. The built-in water shortage detection system ensures safe operation, automatically shutting off the pump when water levels are insufficient. The included filtration system prevents debris from damaging the pump, making maintenance easier and extending its lifespan. At 2.23 pounds, it's heavier than other models, but this adds stability and durability for outdoor use. With a 4.0 star rating, the Bailing 8W solar fountain pump is the best choice for users who want reliability, efficiency, and versatility. It's perfect for bird baths, garden ponds, fish tanks, and even hydroponics projects. While its higher price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, the advanced features and battery backup make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking year-round functionality. Its robust build quality and customizable options cement its place as the top solar panel water pump in our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.